This time on Rock Up Racing, Coastal Motorsport's new home is finally starting to feel like their own. The team has made great progress, and now the real work can begin inside the new unit. There are still a few finishing touches to complete, signage to go up on the outside, and a handful of jobs left to tackle indoors, but the team is getting closer to making it fully operational. Welcome to Rock Up Racing.
On the CCTV, we've got a visitor. Oh my God! Will, where's the? You've missed off the sea, and
that's all right, isn't it? That's all of the sun.
What?
That's all you wanted, isn't it?
No! Oh no! I'll tell you what. Look at the colour of that.
You wanted the rest of them, Dan?
Lovely, isn't it?
That is so cool.
That is very good.
Big up your man from Norfolk Signs. Look what he's bringing in. Let's go have a look. Look at that. That is so cool.
Signage and brand colors are crucial for giving the new unit its identity. With plenty of advertising space on offer, it's the perfect opportunity to showcase what Coastal Motorsport is all about and highlight the services they provide.
Here we are, look. The first sign is up. I'm just giving it a little polish around the edges because there's got so many fingerprints on it when I was putting it up. This looks stunning. Wait till you see it. You gotta get a bigger ladder, John. You've always looked up to me. Okay, so it's always best to just walk away and then just turn. And oh, there is no way you're missing that. That sign is absolutely ginormous, and it looks incredible. Whoever put that up did an absolutely stunning job. Right, so we've just taken delivery of our floor tiles from Duramat, and I'll tell you what, they're quite rigid, aren't they?
They are very rigid and very nice, actually.
I think because you were worried about the welding, do you reckon they'll be? I think they'll be okay.
Yeah, I think that'll be absolutely fine.
So we got these, the ones with no holes in, because obviously there's a lot of people, like I've seen race teams, they use the clip together ones with the holes in them.
Yeah.
But my concern was stuff goes through them, and then you'd have to take up the whole lot to clean underneath. But so we've got, I think there was 60 blue, 60 black. So what we'll do, and it should be enough to do 2 bays. So I was thinking we'll checkerboard
Well,
it.
I was thinking,
Okay.
personally, I could do a blue, and then in the middle, I could do a P.
P.
And then top,
I see where you're going with this.
T.
I like it. We're not going to be doing that, I'm afraid, though. So the floor mats are working well, but as you can see, Paul's already given them a good test, aren't you, Paul? What do you think? What do you think of your new floor mats?
Lovely floor mats. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of dust over them at the minute and a few little items I had to cut off the Camaro because
They clean up well though, don't
they
they?
do clean up very well. Very careful.
There's a lot of news coming with the Camaro. We're covering the Camaro in next week's video. So
Next.
there's a lot happened, didn't there, Paul?
She's a beauty.
They're good, aren't they?
Loads of something all over them, and
Loads of something.
yeah, loads of something. A bit suspicious. It wasn't bodily fluids.
Oh, that's right
It was
then.
from the car, and it cleaned up really well.
They are pretty
normally,
good.
there's
We're not
always a bit
even
of
we're not
cleaning
even
up.
sponsored by Duramat,
We're not,
but
we should be though.
we should be.
Maybe one day.
They are pretty good though. So if you're looking for any sort of matting in your garage,
And they clean up so well. That's what I mean.
I would recommend them.
Like you just a bit of brake cleaner or whatever you're using.
Yeah, so that's
and they're just like they're brand new again.
yeah,
It's awesome.
perfect.
Yeah.
Cheers. Another job that we've sort of been putting off is sorting out the mezzanine. So obviously we've got to build the body panels in carbon fibre for the Camaro. So we're still sorting out the mezzanine to make a carbon fibre area. So we did get that shelving unit to stack some of the moulds. We need to get another one. These 911 body panels, they're all for sale. They're on eBay. So if you're interested in some 911 body panels, I'll drop a link below so you can see the listing. But we've still got all of the old Camaro. Someone's at the door.
Somebody's at the door.
Ray has been over here. He's just bought all the timber to start building the oven for the carbon fibre. So we can build an oven here, so we can put all of the moulds like this, so they can cure in the oven. So that's where we are at with the carbon fibre area. Still so much to do, but we have started.
The oven is set to become a game changer for Coastal Motorsport, unlocking an entirely new service for the team to offer. In the short term, it will allow them to fabricate all the body panels for their second-generation Camaro, which is currently being prepared for its debut race this June.
So Ray has been hard at work making the new carbon fibre oven. So obviously we've tried to clear a space up here so we can start putting this together. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, isn't it? Well, now it's up here.
Yeah, surprising.
So you,
I did wonder whether it really needed to be 8 foot long.
I suppose when you've got panels like that tall in,
Yeah.
like this bit here, that's quite a big bit, isn't it?
That's true.
So we need some more timber.
Yeah.
So we're going to fill these in with insulation, these gaps, and under the floor. But the oven's taking shape. So the other last thing I'm going to show you is we've got a little sitting area, look. Little waiting room. Ignore the boxes over there, they're not usually there. But we've got a little waiting room for people to chill out while their car's being done. And don't worry, we've got plenty of reading material here. As you can see, there's a bit of a theme going on. But it's a space that we didn't have in the old place. So it's as soon as we put chairs in here, there were people using it. So it was obviously something that we needed. So, but it's looking quite smart. Got our trophies there. There's still loads to do in here really, but all these cabinets are going. The boxes aren't there. The clamshell, that's going up on the wall. We'd like to get a coffee machine in here at some point. But this will do for now. Got some lovely plants, thanks to Mother. So yeah, it's looking good.
Another week has passed, and Coastal Motorsport has taken another giant leap forward. The space is finally transforming into the vision they've been working towards. Signs are up, the sofas are in place, and the oven is nearly ready to fire up. Join us next week for an exciting update on the team's second-generation Camaro. Let's just say, you won't believe what they've got planned.